Wow, that's delicious.
Meta's going down, people's going down. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down.
Yeah, that really sucks.
However, Bitcoin's going to the moon. Well, for those of you who have bought the dip, and for those who have missed, well, that's how it is. Even Ethereum crossed past $3,000 right now, and I'm freaking amazed. So aside from just buying and holding Bitcoins, Ethereum, and other major coins out there in the market, traders are going like crazy in making their own decisions whether to buy or to sell. So what's up, peeps? This is Jeff, aka Nomad Fury, and we're back again for another weekly Bitget video. So I would like to fully disclose that this is a sponsored video. So if you really want to check out Bitget, all you have to do is to simply go to their official website at bitget.com and explore their one-of-a-kind freaking trading platform. So last time, I did share to you about their one-of-a-kind copy trading feature. This time, guys, I am going to feature futures trading.
Oh my god! Wow!
So it's like I'm going to show you how it works inside the Bitget platform. And also take note of the disclaimer that is displayed here on the screen or in my YouTube description. So I am not a financial or investment advisor. So only invest and trade an amount that you can afford to do and manage your risk very well. So before we begin, I would like to remind all of the Filipinos out there that our exclusive Bitget event, which is exclusive for the Philippine community, is still ongoing. So you just have to deposit and trade to win 100 USDT. So here's the recap of all the steps that are needed for you to participate in this event. Step number 1, register using my link that I provided right here on my YouTube description. Step 2, deposit a minimum of 10 USDT and execute a futures trade within 24 hours. Step 3, take a screenshot of your trades. Then share it with your UID to the official Bitget Philippines Telegram group. Step 4, use hashtag BitgetNomadFury to participate in the event. And finally, step 5, join the official Bitget Filipino Facebook group. All qualified participants will share a full prize of 100 USDT. 3 lucky winners will be selected. For the third place winner, you will take home 15 USDT. Second place, you're gonna take home 50 USDT. And finally, the first place will be taking home 100 USDT. And the event will end on February 10th of 2022. So the announcement of winners will be on February 13th of 2022. So if you are one of the winners, guys, it will be credited to your Bitget account within 7 days. So if you are a Pinoy, don't miss this exclusive event, which is exclusive for Filipinos. So guys, let's head over to the futures trading platform of Bitget. So without further ado, let's roll. Okay, so I have logged into my Bitget account. So since this is just for demo purposes, let's go to futures right here and select USDTM futures demo. So we have to click right here, guys, and we have to wait, and there we go. So if you could see right here, guys, just like in traditional spot trading, so they have an order book right here. It's completely updated in real time. And of course, the market trades as well. So if you could look at the timestamp right here, guys, okay. So let's go to the right section here. So we have an option like cross or isolated. So let's start first with the cross. So under the cross margin mode, that utilizes the full amount of funds in their available balance to avoid liquidations. Any realized profit loss from other positions can aid in adding margin on a losing position. And you can have the option of checking or unchecking this box like do not remind again. But what about the isolated? So it says right here, and I quote, under the isolated margin mode, your liability is limited to the initial margin posted. the margin that the position can lose is limited to the initial margin allocated to this position. The position gets liquidated when the initial margin drains up, but the remaining available margin will not be drawn to cover the loss. So this is the difference between isolated and the cross margin mode. So I click confirm, guys. And of course, you could choose the leverage right here. So it's gonna be between 1x up to 125x. So it says right here, the amount that can be opened is also limited by leverage, available funds, and the maximum amount of positions open. So since this is just for demo purposes, so let's stick to 20x. So I click confirm, and just like in traditional spot trading, so they have a limit in the market. So it can be executed at the best price if you're going to choose this route. And of course, let's determine the difference between trigger and post only. So for the trigger, and I quote, when the price touches the trigger price, a limit order will be initiated to the market accordingly to the set quantity, execution price, and the trade direction. The order will not freeze the assets before it is triggered and is subject to factors such as the field price, position, or gear limit, etc. It doesn't guarantee success. And as for post only, it ensures the limit order will not match with a pre-existing order. If the order is immediately concluded with an existing order, the order will be cancelled to ensure that the user is always maker. So these are the difference between post only and trigger. So let's stick to trigger, guys. So my available USDT is 3,000. So this is just for demo purposes. So let's say we go to a much newbie friendly route, which is the market. And of course, we will be entering the amount right here, guys. So let's say we want it to be 50% of my balance, which is 1,500 USDT. So it says right here, 51% of the quantity that can be opened in the direction of the order. So we have the option right here, take profit or stop loss. So you see right here, guys, we have the option to set the take profit price and the stop loss price. Maybe my take profit price would be 41,800 and my stop loss price would be 41,600. So my plan is to buy long. So I click buy long, guys, and it will pop up like this. The flash order is open. So the leverage is 20x. So once you have checked all the details, guys, so I click confirm, and let's see what happens. So if we scroll down right here, guys, so this is my order for the 20x leverage. So you can see right here the position, the close amount, the margin, and the MMR. So this is the open price, the fair price, and the liquidated price. And you can see the realized profit and loss right here, and the unrealized profit and loss. And also the ROE right here. So this is just for educational purposes on how are you going to use the futures trading platform of Bitget. So if you feel that you can't take any loss further, of course, you can click the stop loss right here. So the same thing goes for take profit. So if you think that you're happy enough with the profit, just click this one, take profit. So at least I've shared to you on how futures trading works right here on Bitget, which is just a demo account for educational purposes. So if you want to try it out, all you have to do is to create an account first on Bitget, deposit some USDT, and then start futures trading. So guys, I have a question for you. What do you honestly think about Bitget's futures trading platform? Especially on how it works for newbies and beginners out there who wanted to get started into the futures trading. Do let me know right here in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching, and kindly share this to your crypto friends out there. And you want to stay updated with my latest videos, interviews, AMAs, and giveaways? Just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And also follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Telegram. So guys, I'll see you all in my next video.